Thou canst not it recall. Time future is not and may never be. Time present is the only time.
The only time.
For thee.
Okay.
For thee.
You kind of faded off on the end there, that's right.